past few decades, private equity has come to play an increasingly significant role in the financial world. Unlike public markets, private equity involves investing directly in private companies or taking public companies private, enabling management to implement strategic changes without the pressure of quarterly earnings reports. This encourages a long-term time horizon for implementing value creation strategies. Operational improvements take time and patience, with private equity firms tending to own companies for 5 years or more. Private equity firms are truly active managers and typically bring in experienced teams to help the companies they invest in. As well as providing capital and support for growth initiatives, they also often assist with restructuring or efficiency enhancements. Well-run private equity-owned companies can focus on long-term decisions which are in the best interest of the company and its investors, aligning the interests for all parties. Private equity offers diversification benefits for investors. By investing in private companies, investors can access opportunities that are not available in public markets, leading to potentially greater returns. Private equity firms often have specialised industry knowledge and networks, which can be leveraged to identify and capitalise on investment opportunities. This expertise allows them to navigate complex transactions and unlock hidden value in their portfolio companies. The reduction in the number of companies listed on the world stock exchanges has reflected the growing role of private equity firms. For public market investors, this trend can be challenging as they lose access to companies that may go on to achieve great success. Have you ever read a story in the press about private equity investor generating multiple times their money and wondered how you could access some of these types of opportunities? Well, by investing in HVPE, investors can gain access through a London Stock Exchange listed investment company. The company seeks to create value for shareholders through long-term capital appreciation by investing in a diversified portfolio of private market investments, which are otherwise inaccessible to ordinary stock market investors. Put simply, we focus exclusively on providing investors with access to those companies not listed on stock exchanges. On a 10-year view, HVPE has delivered significant market outperformance. HVPE does this by providing capital to funds managed by HarbourVest Partners, the appointed manager for the company. HVPE is a member of the FTSE 250 and has net assets of $3.9 billion. An investment company is a closed-end fund, which means investors can exit simply by selling their shares, without the fund being affected by redemptions, allowing the company to take a longer-term investment view. It also gives the board the power to buy back the company's own shares. And in January this year, the board took the decision to double HVPE's commitment to buybacks.